So we are now in the Hopeful Rocks and it's the low tide. We are underneath the rocks. So that was really high tide before and it's getting low tide now. It will recede, the water will recede downstream, but the height of the tide goes up there. See, goes up there. That's the height of the tide. So is the water. Jasmine is here. See?
Di ba dati nakaabot pa tayo doon?
Oh, yeah.
Wala na, nahala na.
Oh, yeah.
We can always go. Later, yeah, later.
Because before it was, you can go straight here.
Gold dito. Yan, dudu lang. That's a goal for sure. But the problem is it takes too long to do that. Really.
Natakot. Natakot.
Yeah. Look at the rocks.
Yeah, looks like it's about
Kinda feeling.
kind of scary, huh? A little bit worried. Oh, but the rocks are green. Actually, we could.
Ano pag bumagsak ko? Wala na
Oh,
yung
yeah.
mga
Dyan
tourist.
is.
Wala na yung tourism na ano. Kasi oh, ayan na, may crack na siya oh.
Right? That's what I'm saying.